Mr. Crenshaw is typing a novel he has written. He types at a constant rate. Now, constant rate means whatever he types at, it stays that way. So if it's 50 pages a day, it's always 50 pages a day. The number of pages he has typed after different amounts of time are shown in the table below. So if he typed for 1.5 hours, it was 9 pages that he typed. If he typed for 3.5 hours, it's 21 pages. 7.5 hours, 45 pages. 8.5 hours, 51 pages. The pattern continues. How many pages does Mr. Crenshaw type each hour? All right, well, this is a division problem, and you just pick any row you want. So I'm going to pick the smallest one because it's easier. And what I need to do is I need to do 9 divided by 1.5. Now, this is probably a calculator section, but just in case it's not a calculator problem, I'm going to remind you how to do something like this. Okay, larger number goes inside the long division bar. I forget what it's called. There's a name for it, but, no big deal. Then we have 1.5 living on the outside. Now, whenever you're dividing a decimal into a regular number, you really want to add more decimals so that you can actually handle it. Now, ignore the fact that you have a decimal. Just pretend it's not even there. We'll deal with that in a second. So we're going to look at this as 15 goes into 90. How many times? I actually think it's 6. Yeah, because 6 times 15, if I'm thinking times, 6 times 15 is 90. So when you subtract, you get 90. No remainder, we're done. Now, since this is a decimal and this is a decimal, you have to move your decimal over, and you have to move your decimal over, which gives you 6.0. So you're going to type out 6 pages per hour. So again, this is probably a calculator problem, but just in case it's not, I did it the long way. More time for my videos means more YouTube money for me. Thanks for watching.